Hi guys, I'm Juan here up with the sun where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. Apologies for the weird angle. I just wanted to get this video out there super quickly because today is the first ever So for Lala-Pin-Looza, I had decided to pick up 9 boxes from Hot Topic. They're 3 each for 3 different series. And the first one I'm going to start with, we've already seen before on the channel. These are the Care Bear pins with Bright Bat design. This is their collaboration. Bright Bat has this really interesting cutesy kawaii design here, and it looks so great with the Care Bears. I will link up above the last video I did. This actually was part of my 12 days of Vlogmas that I did last December. Spoiler alert. I got most of these. The only ones that I am missing are Bedtime Bear and Cheer Bear. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe. 90% of you are watching my videos and have not subscribed. What's up with that?
What's up with that?
Okay, the first one is, I'm not gonna look, I'm gonna show it to you first. It is, oh my gosh! It's Cheer Bear! Yay! I'm so excited! Yes! Oh my gosh, so stinking cute. I actually did a sort of bound of Cheer Bear for Pride, and it was a pretty popular look. I may or may not have been asked to take some pictures, but anyhow, you can actually go to my Instagram here and check out those photos / videos. It was such a great time. But anyhow, I am so jazzed. Look how cute they are. Oh my gosh. This is already a success because I just want at least one different one. Number 2 here. Okay, I'm gonna have you guys look first. Ba 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 ba. Ooh. I actually already have 2 of these. But it's Funshine Bear. I love Funshine Bear. They're a vibe. This is the Care Bear that is the spirit animal of this channel. I strive every day to be a ray of sunshine for anyone that I cross paths with. Might as well be a positive person because you just never know what anyone's going through. A little more kindness goes a long way. Okay, last box we have ba 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 boom. Another Funshine Bear. That's okay. That's alright. 1 out of 3. Not great odds, but I'll take it. The newest set I picked up was this Invader Zim pins. It not like the ones that I showed for Thanksgiving. You can go ahead and see that video. But these ones are like postage stamp pins, which is so cool. You see Zim and Gur here at the top. You have the house, and then you have Zim and Gur here. Oop, not me. In the spaceship. And then on the other end, you have Gur with the pig, and then Zim with his robot parents. And then you have here Zim with his definite goal to rule the world. Again, I only got 3 of these, so let's see what we have. I'm going to open it up to you. This is a brand new one for all of us, and it's... Ah! Yes! Zim wanting to take over Earth, his fantasy. That's so stinking cute. I love it. There's Gur there again with his friend the pig. Bloaty the pig. So cool. Nice substantial pin. The back is cool. So that's the metal that was faceted out of. Box number 2. Show it to you first, and it's... Woo! A new one! Yes! It's Gur flying on Bloaty. I love stamp style pins. I'm not sure if that last one is a chase or not, because although, look at this, sorry, I'm jumping around, but this is a nice cute peach back color. But the back of this one is just plain black. So that's interesting. Cute. Okay, last one. Again, I have to cover it up. Not looking. Not looking. Okay. And it is another new one. Yes. Yay. Can't for the life of me tell what's on the banner in the background. But either way, very cool. And yeah, I think that last one is a chase because look at the back is different. And this must have been a chase because even the purple background's shimmery, which is pretty cool. Last time. So that second series was awesome, Invader Zim. Comment down below, are you a fan of Invader Zim? I know I watched it with my brothers growing up. My mom used to call it the yelling show because all Zim does is scream. Okay, this final set is what I saw all over my friend's channel, Sarah at Sarah Dizzy Magic, Simone at Simone's World, and of course the Pin Kings themselves, Derek and Ryan over at Spill the Mad Tea Party. And it is these princess pins with these floral accents to these portraits, which is so cute. Obviously the only one I'm really interested in getting is Pocahontas. They're all great. I love each one of these girls on their own. So I really wouldn't be mad at anything. Tiana would be a close second. And then of course Ariel will be a third one. Let's see which ones I got. And these do come in a blind bag. Okay, this is facing you. And it's... Oh, she's darling. And it's Belle. You have a stained glass element. You have Chip. And then you have all this foliage around her, mushrooms and flowers, and she's holding the enchanted rose there, which was a choice, but okay. This is the second one. I'm not looking, right? We have Cindy. Oh, Cinderella. She looks so great. I probably should have gotten more of these just because I misinterpreted the limits for Hot Topic because they were doing the buy two get one free special. So either way though, like less is more. The expectations are so low at this point when it comes to my luck with blind boxes that I'm just happy they're not doubles. But again, here I go jinxing myself. Okay, this is the third one and it's... Oh, it's not a duplicate, but it's gorgeous Tiana. I do collect Tiana. Oh my gosh, she is so radiant. I have seen her before. I have seen Cindy before. This is great. I'm so happy. Comment down below, how do you feel? When there's glass stain elements, do you think they show up great on your pin boards? Or is there another way of displaying these more aesthetically pleasing? Let me know. I pulled 7 unique pins, which is awesome. The princesses as themselves, if you really need the Belle, is up for trade. So again, please, here, my Instagram, contact me so we can go ahead and start that trade because I want that Pocahontas. I really want Pocahontas. So if I can trade for her, thank you so much for joining me. Comment down below which one of these pins were your favorites. Do y'all enjoy Lala-Pin-Looza? It's really fun just to go ahead and have an opportunity to go through some different pins and build up my collection. If I had to pick a favorite one for today, it probably would be this Invader Zim chase pin. And I'm gonna say it's a chase just because it's so different compared to the other ones. Please be safe, tell somebody that you love them because tomorrow's never promised, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!